This video I will explain the complete setup and customization of Firefox web browser. Mozilla Firefox is a free web browser you can use to visit websites, watch videos, shop online and more. Mozilla Firefox is known for being fast, secure and easy to use. To download and install Firefox, you have to go to official website www.mozilla.org. Then from that website, you can download the Firefox. Once the file is downloaded, open it and follow the instructions to install the Firefox on your computer. After installation, open Firefox. You will see the home page with the search bar and quick links to popular websites. You can set Firefox as your default browser. This means all the links you click on from email or messages will open in Firefox. We will see how to do that. Now we will see how to import bookmarks and history. If you were using another browser like Chrome before, then you can import bookmarks, history and saved password into Firefox from the Chrome. We will see how to do that. To do that, you have to use manage bookmarks option. We will see. Now we will see how to set up a Firefox account. A Firefox account helps you to sync your bookmarks, history and settings across all your devices like PC, mobile and tablet. To create an account, what you have to do is you have to use sign in option. We will see how to do that. You can customize the home page. You can choose what you want to see when you open the Firefox. To do that, you have to go to settings home. Then you can show search bar, show top websites you visit often. You can set your favorite website as the home page. We will see how to do that. Now we will see how to install useful extensions. So what are extensions? Extensions are small tools you can add to Firefox to add features like blocking ads or saving passwords. To do that, you have to choose add-on and themes. Then you can find the extension by searching the extension like AdBlock Plus or Grammarly, then add to Firefox. We will see how to do that. You can choose a theme. Themes let you to change how Firefox looks, light, dark or colorful. To do that, you have to go to themes and pick one of the theme and enable that. We will see how to do that. You can customize the toolbar. You can move the buttons or remove the buttons in the top bar of the Firefox. To do that, you have to right click on the toolbar, then click on customize toolbar. Then you can drag and drop items you want. We will see how to do that. You can manage privacy settings and security settings. Firefox is known for strong privacy controls. You can control how much of your data is shared with websites. To do that, you have to go to privacy and security in settings. Then you can choose protection level like standard, strict or custom privacy levels. You can also block trackers, clear cookies or manage saved passwords. You can set a default search engine. Firefox let you to pick your favorite search engine like Google, Bing or DuckDuckGo. To do that, go to settings, search, then you can choose your default search engine. You can also add or remove other search engines. You can use Firefox on mobile too. You can install Firefox on your Android or iPhone and sign in with your Firefox account to sync everything. You can update Firefox and clear browsing data. Update Firefox. Firefox usually updates itself, but you can also do it manually. To do that, you have to go to About Firefox. Then Firefox will check for updates and install them. Clear browsing data. If Firefox feels slow or you want to remove old data, then go to Privacy and Security in Settings. Then scroll down to Cookies and Site Data. Then click on Clear Data. We will see how to do this. Here you can see the summary table, what we have learned. Install Firefox, make Firefox as default, import data, customize homepage, add extensions, change theme, toolbar setup, privacy settings, and create Firefox account.